Hello everyone, welcome to Coding and Tuition. So today we are going to solve the 28 number problem from Leetcode. Let us just quickly understand the problem. So in this question we have given two strings and we have to find if other strings exist in the first string and at what index it exists. For example, in this the needle string is sad and haystack string is sad but sad. So we need to find out where does the sad exist inside this string, and we have to return the index of its first occurrence. For example, the sad occurs at 0 index, so output is 0. Output should not be 6 because it has its second occurrence of the sad. And if needle doesn't occur inside the haystack, we will just return -1. So I think the question is pretty obvious. So let us just quickly move to the algorithm. So let us just quickly understand the algorithm now. So in this algorithm, we will iterate through our haystack string, and we try to find out if the needle is present inside it or not. So what we will be doing is we will just increment the pointer up until we find the character at j pointer inside the needle. Okay. So as we move the pointer ahead, we find I is matching to I. So now what we will be doing is that we will increment the pointer up till we find the same character. So we will increment it once and increment it once. We will see they are again same, they are same again, they are same up to I. Okay. So up to they are same, we will keep incrementing the character. And if the length of the j is uh, the length of needle is length of j is equal to length of needle at the end, then we found out our answer. We will simply return from where the I have started. Okay. And if we didn't find out the answer, we what we'll be doing is we will just reset the j pointer and reset the I pointer to the next pointer it was earlier it was at I, and we will reset it to s. Now again we will keep checking by incrementing the pointer one by one if it matches the I, if it matches the I, and now this time we find a I again which matches the I. So what we'll be doing is we will increment this pointer again and check up till we find the similar elements. So we will find it up to p, and after this j will increment once more, and the size of it will be equal to the size of needle string. So we will return our answer then. So let us just quickly walk through the code here. It is pretty obvious that you can see in this code uh, that we have our for loop running over our haystack size. Okay. So basically this is our haystack size. I have not incremented the I here. I will explain that shortly. So firstly we are checking if the haystack size is equal to needle size, or his haystack character is equal to needle character. So we will just increment both of the pointers up till we find both of them equal, and up till j string doesn't end. So if the j character is equal to 0, which means that it was not uh, it never went inside the while loop. So we need to increment that we are missing here. So only in this case we need to increment. In other cases while loop will handle the increment of I. So in this case we will increment I here, and if we reach the end, we will simply return I minus n. Basically we have reached to I, so we will subtract it by n because we have to return the first index from where the needle string is starting inside the haystack. Okay. So that's why we are returning here, and else I is equal to I j minus 1, I minus j plus 1 indicates that in this case when our pointer was matching up to I only, in that case we didn't need to return answer. We just need to reset the I to the place where it was before one had to add. So we have moved j pointers ahead. So we just subtracted that and plus one because we need to one pointer ahead to that. Okay. So I think it is very much clear. It is very simple algorithm. So hope this video help you. Thank you so much for watching.